everyone. We have been talking about observations in physics, especially the ones that point us to the picture of reality. And we are aiming to understand an all-contained picture of reality that shows us how we come to be a part of the very same universe that flawlessly flows by the laws of physics. But as I have emphasized it frequently, this channel is about rationalizing disparate observations, especially the ones that we feel are in conflict with each other, such as the theory of general relativity versus the framework of quantum mechanics. And equally importantly, see how we come to be a part of the universe and evolve in sync with it. Our biggest catch is, and this is crucial, that the two endeavors, resolving scientific discrepancies and understanding how we come to be a part of the universe, are in fact two sides of the very same coin. What we need to do to see that is to correct the perspective or context with which we are viewing the picture. In this video, I want to bring up a highly connected angle that is very much a part of this endeavor or this broadcast, and it is also a motivation in having this channel. And that is pretty much what it says in this video's poster or the thumbnail, the human side. In this video, we will talk about what exactly it is at its core. I will say mostly on what it is not, and then we'll have to see what remains of it after we have filtered out all of the superfluous. What it is not is as follows. It is not a cultural bearing or context or stricture. It is not a religious dogma. It is not a social conditioning or any kind of conditioning. And to a large extent, it is not even an acquired potential. Indeed, what aspires us and motivates us, make us more of who we are compared to any of the above. But there is something beneath, even beneath all of the above filtration, beneath even the aspiration and the line of interest. And that is our sense of connection, especially when we encounter one. The connection to other beings, the ones that transcend beyond the social structures of life itself, that extends beyond the premise of local causality, and the connection we feel in the nature extending into the universe. It is purely a felt sense, but it is here we know what is real to each one of us. We may describe this feeling or sense as a beautiful thing that steers us through the life, but it is here we know of our choices and are most contented with them. It is here we are most contented with our connections and the things that follow from there. From the informative point of view, this very framework of us sensing what is real to each of us at a human life level, and the connectivity we feel as is that extends beyond the local causality, itself is a telltale of how the nature of us blends with the nature of the universe. An operational blending and unfolding of which the foundational laws are essentially a part. A cautionary note that here I am not implying any philosophical connotation and talking purely within the premise of the elements of reality. And in this self-structured fabric of reality, not only we live and feel alive and true, but it is in this very fabric we find that the scientific facts are neither compromised nor conflicted with each other. Where the facts that we otherwise feel are in conflict with each other in our understanding are actually rationalized and augmented, where the inputs from sciences and our perceptivities reinforce each other. So I will probably leave it at that because there is so much to assimilate about. But I will touch upon these elements in future videos to get the fuller essence. And thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.